Fix Photo Viewer applies yellow tint to photos in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Solution 1. Check the night light function. A night light is a feature in Windows that dims the screen a bit and replaces standard colors with those that are easier to view for the human eye, which can be especially beneficial when using a computer during dark hours of the day. Solution 2. Add a new color profile. Type Color Management in Windows Search and press Enter. Under Devices, make sure the correct monitor is selected from the drop-down menu. Under it, tick the Use My Settings for this device option. Delete any already available profiles if they are listed. At the bottom, click Add. Under ICC Profiles, select sRGB IEC 61966-2.1 and click OK. Back in the Color Management window, go to Advanced tab. Here, make sure that device profile is set to sRGB IEC 61966-2.1. Solution 3. Reset Photos app. The app might be bugged out, which may happen in some cases. Thus, we recommend resetting it as follows. Solution 4. Calibrate your display. Sometimes the display may not be calibrated correctly. Follow these steps.